Rapid fire answers coming your way. What's today's burning question? Let's find out.
Random hiccups are usually harmless and caused by brief spasms of the diaphragm. But if they last more than 48 hours, it might signal an underlying issue like nerve irritation or digestive problems. In those cases, see a doctor. For typical hiccups, simple tricks like holding your breath or sipping water can help stop them quickly.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.